skinny guys be like, oh, I gotta be smart. I haven't had nothing to eat. Well, why would the kids just let me do this? I haven't had nothing to eat for breakfast. I just had a cup of tea. And for lunch, I'm getting like 1 boiled egg and some spinach. Guess what? Hey, guess what? Yeah. Okay. Let's go back. Oh, keep making me laugh now. That makes us skinny girls be like, what? What? You had what for breakfast? Okay.
All you gotta do is eat fufu and you'll be good.
Okay, this is me right now, okay?
You need to eat peppers.
Can you just let me just chill on top of people? So this is me right now, okay? This is me right now, okay? Now, guess what I'm gonna eat for lunch? I'm gonna eat my eba. Eba. No, not eba. Gary and Eva, okay? So where's my food? Let me eat my food now, okay? And you still gonna see this tummy. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is my fufu and this is my Eva right here. I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna eat. When I'm done eating, you see this belly still looking like this, okay?
People they don't want that belly, they cannot see it.
I know, right?
They need their belly to be like
I'm not pushing it inside. I'm not starving myself.
Yes.
I'm gonna eat this food. Do you see it? You see that? Yeah, I'm gonna eat all of this.
Show us.
This right here. That's what it is. Oh, forget about the grease, okay? I don't want nobody coming here and say, oh, too much grease, too much grease. If you cook arrow, okay, like a bayangi, a real bayangi woman, and there's no grease on it like this, there is not called arrow. Okay, let me sit down, chill.
It's palm oil.
Grease, palm oil, whatever. America.
More healthy than Greek.
Hey, I can bring it. I'm gonna wash my hand.
that.
Not another my side.
No, this is literally.
Yeah, bring it. I just need to rinse my fingers. No, it's enough in there. Oh yeah. Ooh, let me see what, cause I'm about to swallow this Gary right now.
Let me tell you the way they cook and the way they know the two taste. What I see they do.
Oh, I can stop that sound. Oh yeah.
My computers.
Yeah. I haven't had this in a while.
Don't spend up that water.
I went to the African store. I think it was on Valentine's Day, and I got
Okay, no.
some Gary and some arrow. This is good.
Look, some in, and then I'll sell the cup. Look at this, look at this.
Do go finish your cleaning in the kitchen.
No, from the other side. Yeah.
Oh my god, yes.
This is good. There's nothing like
It worked.
nothing like African food, yeah. When I eat African food, it's like cheese. Cheese.
Can I have some?
No.
Can you have some? With the food in this house, they ask me, can you have some? But you eat on my plate. I don't know what is wrong with this boy, yeah? So, there can be food in there, okay? He just had some pizza. There can be food in there. He's not gonna eat, but he wanna eat in my plate.
I'll just be like, go in the refrigerator, open it, just look inside and just walk away. I don't know why.
Sometimes you just go open the refrigerator just for the pleasure of it. Open it then, come on. You wanna eat, come. What is that there? You wanna eat, you can come and eat. Just make sure your hands are washed. Go, make sure your hands are washed.
I don't want to. I'm good.
Oh, because I said go and wash your hands. He wanna come put his hands in my food without washing them. No, no boy. Because I said go wash your hands, he said no thank you, I'm not gonna eat again. Good. Yeah.
They put pineapple, say when you wash your, small you wash your hand, you go eat with the prince.
Oh, pineapple, please.
Yeah.
Like, small you wash your hand, oh, we're not picture with the big people.
I don't like.
Meme did not say pineapple, she said pineapple. Leave the light alone.
Pineapple.
Pineapple is like a parable.
They call it
What
pineapple.
is
But back we call it pineapple. It's just like a local way of saying it, pineapple.
pineapple?
Not pineapple, pineapple.
It is pineapple.
I did not say pineapple, I said pineapple. Allow me to eat.
It's pineapple.
It's pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple. That's how you. No, it's. It's
So
You're the one that want to
learn,
teach.
learn my own. You want only me to learn your own.
it's pineapple.
No, you're not about to come eat the meat of my arrow. I gave you your own. You took water and pour in there. Girl, to get your sealer.
Stop!
Because-
You're embarrassing me.
I'm not embarrassing you.
Yes,
Why?
you
Because I
are.
did not take pizza and put in front of you. Huh?
You're embarrassing me.
Is that embarrassment?
No.
Yes.
So if mom wants to say the truth,
I'm saying the truth. Move back. Move back.
I painted your nose though.
is the truth
I
embarrassment?
spent all that time painting your nose well. I couldn't charge my iPad.
It doesn't mean you're gonna get my meat from my plate.
Well,
If I remember how I gave you your own food, and she poured water in the food just because
you
she
already told them
I
that.
had to say it again.
You keep on saying it 10 times.
But I gave you pizza right now. You don't munch the pizza. You ate all the pizza.
All of it.
That is
You want some more?
speaking the truth embarrassment.
I will eat my Gary and arrow before I give you some pizza.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, bye.
Yes,
Me. Put Gary and arrow. Or fufu and arrow with pizza. I'm gonna pick my fufu and arrow. You think I'm gonna pick pizza?
Pizza.
You
eat pizza before.
I eat pizza, but I say if you put fufu and arrow, you put pizza. Me, I'm gonna pick the fufu and arrow. But you gonna pick pizza.
What do you mean? I will pick fufu and arrow to just eat all the meat. I get one.
No, I'm not giving my meat. Then I eat the empty food.
Can I get the skin though? You don't even eat the skin.
I don't eat the skin, so I'm not gonna give you something that I don't eat.
Wait.
If you like to say I'm eating, I'm not giving it to my child. Say it. Your hands are not even washed, bro. Another person is eating food. You want to eat the meat of the food. Where have you seen that happening? Where? What planet?
I wash my hands.
Why can't you just let me eat my food in peace? You just had your pizza. Take now, go.
Is there any chewing?
No, I'm not giving them. Go. Go now. Ooh, man. Even though I talk like that, I'm not a big eater. I wish I can sit there and finish this whole food, but I can't do it. Hey, mommy, when you gonna make some achu soup? Just the achu soup itself.
Any day.
Can you fix cookie
Make it
corn?
a little bit spicy.
Can
I
you
just drink
fix
the soup.
cookie corn?
Well, I already boiled that meat yesterday, so
Mama!
if you eat some
Oh,
of
there's
it,
some Marisa.
yeah.
Can I get some cookie
I can't wait to eat
corn?
that achu soup.
No, cookie corn is better.
You cook it.
But I don't know how to grind it.
Let me show you.
You will try.
This is good. Can I get a bottle of water? Hey, I left my bottle of water in my room on the table. Not yours. The one that's almost gone is mine. The one that is full is yours.
Breakfast.
I already drank the almost gone.
Get me a new bottle.
Okay. A newborn?
Hey.
Okay.
If I was choking right now, it would take you 2 years to bring me the water. Well, give me now. Whew, took you forever.
Tea. Took me 10 days. Ow, 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 ow. Do you know how to open a water bottle?
No, I don't. Come help me.
Well, it doesn't look like it. You can't. But
The water is hot. It's not cold.
I know.
Maybe I say I should not drink any more cold water. Mama, stop now.
Perfect.
Anyways.
Why did you break the bracelet? I have to redo it.
Yeah, the guy should still up.
Look.